San Francisco's district attorney says a recent ruling from the California Supreme Court could put the public at risk, and it all centers around new guidelines for cash bail. Brad Hamilton sat down with the DA and one of the defense attorneys that helped change the way bail is set statewide to sort through the controversy.
In an office where every decision carries weight, San Francisco District Attorney Brooke Jenkins says she has a simple but important mandate to protect.
My responsibility to San Francisco is public safety and to be transparent when there are impediments to me achieving that safety.
And any decision that threatens that gets DA Jenkins' attention. This week, it's responding to a recent California Supreme Court decision that says that bail must be affordable for nonviolent offenders. It also says that the court should rely more on public safety risk rather than money when deciding who stays in jail before trial.
These judges don't live in San Francisco, many of them. They don't live in the communities like the Tenderloin that are most affected by these issues.
Jenkins warns that this change could have some real consequences, specifically making it easier for repeat drug offenders to get back out and back into the neighborhoods that her office has spent years trying to stabilize.
Fentanyl dealers being released back out into the community right away, who are killing more people with that deadly poison than guns and knives combined in San Francisco.
But one of the defense attorneys on the case that led to this decision, Marcine Weiss, says that's not what this ruling does.
But justices pointed out that there is a whole host of non-financial conditions that the lower courts can use and should use.
Weiss points to tools like pretrial detention and supervised release as safeguards against repeat nonviolent offenders. She also stressed that judges still have the power to keep people in jail if they're considered a danger to the public.
It will be a drastic change, but not to public safety.
But for Jenkins, the concern isn't just the intent of the law, it's how judges will apply it.
This is a ruling that has real life consequences, and to deny that would be untruthful and would not help people understand why we may see retraction in our progress.
Just how far these impacts go might take time to see. For now, there's unease for some and relief for others, and a lot of questions about what comes next.
As part of the Supreme Court ruling, the justices said that the state's bail system still has a lot of gray areas, which will be left up to individual judges to parse. One of the concurring opinions encouraged the legislature and the governor to pass some new laws clarifying the process.